Hey there friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that will surely get you pumped up. Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you do 100 push-ups every day? Well, you're about to find out. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our fitness-related content. Let's get started. Doing 100 push-ups every day can have a profound impact on your body. Let's talk about the physical transformations you can expect to see. Firstly, your upper body strength will skyrocket. Push-ups primarily target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles. Over time, you'll notice increased muscle definition and overall strength in these areas. Additionally, your posture will improve as your back and core muscles become stronger. This can help alleviate back pain and give you a more confident and upright stance. It's not just about the aesthetics. Doing 100 push-ups every day also brings numerous health benefits. Firstly, it improves cardiovascular health by increasing your heart rate and promoting blood circulation throughout your body. This can lower the risk of heart disease and improve overall cardiovascular fitness. Secondly, regular push-ups can boost your metabolism, helping you burn calories even when you're not exercising. This can be a great aid in weight management and achieving your fitness goals. The benefits of doing 100 push-ups every day extend beyond the physical realm. Engaging in regular exercise releases endorphins, also known as the feel-good hormones. This can significantly improve your mood, reduce stress levels, and combat symptoms of anxiety and depression. Moreover, the discipline and commitment required to complete 100 push-ups daily can have a positive impact on your mental strength and overall mindset. It teaches you perseverance, determination, and the ability to push through challenges. This newfound mental resilience can extend to other areas of your life, helping you overcome obstacles and achieve success. Additionally, regular exercise, including push-ups, has been shown to improve sleep quality. A good night's sleep is essential for overall well-being, as it allows your body to recover and recharge. Now that you're inspired to start your 100 push-ups challenge, let's go over some important tips and precautions. Firstly, it's crucial to maintain proper form throughout each repetition. This ensures that you're targeting the right muscles and minimizing the risk of injury. Secondly, listen to your body and gradually increase the number of push-ups you do each day. Starting with a lower number and gradually building up will prevent overexertion and muscle strain. Lastly, remember to incorporate rest days into your routine. Your muscles need time to recover and grow stronger. Resting allows your body to repair itself and prevents burnout. And there you have it, folks. The incredible effects of doing 100 push-ups every day. From physical transformations to improved mental well-being, this challenge can truly revolutionize your fitness journey. Remember, consistency is key, and always listen to your body. Have you ever tried doing 100 push-ups every day? If so, what changes did you notice in your body and overall fitness? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting content by subscribing to our channel. Keep pushing, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.